Hi everyone. So today we've got a Maserati Quattroporte. This car was brought in initially. The computer box only was brought to me. Apparently they connected the battery terminals the wrong way. So this computer box was brought to me for repairs. The repairs were done. I'll share the video to that as well. But I repaired this, tested it. It's communicating all as well. I just plugged it into the car. So after repairing the computer box, the owner decided to send me the whole car so I can check everything out. Now I got these modules, this red one, and it's not that clear, but there's a black one over there. These two modules were out. So too was the fuse box over there. It's a bit of a mission to take this, especially to put that fuse box back. So first thing we do is just put everything back in the car, connect it up, and then see how the car responds. The battery was flat. This one's flat. I'll need to charge that. So I've connected in another battery, and first thing I notice is that the hazards are not turning off. Perhaps they will once we put the key into the ignition. But for now, this is what I have.